Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. First of all, if you're new here, welcome. I hope you find some content here that is useful for you and that helps you in some way in making a good choice when purchasing wigs. Now, today I'm going to show you some of the wigs I wore in November. Now, fall is finally here in the South, and it's been nice to wear some little warmer clothes, and I've kind of warmed up my look a little bit wearing some darker colors than I normally do, but stay tuned. You know, every year I make you a promise. And for this coming year in 2024, I promise you I'm going to show lots of brunettes. I really have tried to expand my wig wardrobe into lots of different colors. You know, I used to just wear the blondes, then I started with the reds, which I love, and now I really want to try some brunettes. So I look forward to showing you those. I hope you enjoy them. But let's get started because I've got to show you 10 wigs that I wore in November. Okay, let's start out. Ellen Wille Sound Mono in Tobacco Rooted. I love Tobacco Rooted. Look how pretty this color is. Now, I've shown you this wig before, and this is the one that has the mini lace front, which, you know, honestly, I'm always honest with you. I'm not a big fan of the mini lace front. I understand its purpose and all that, but it's just not my favorite feature, and I'll tell you why. You see how this one has a hard transition from the cap to the lace front. Not a fan of that. Now, on this wig, I think this wig is adorable. I love the wig. Easily hidden just by pulling the bang down. It's supposed to go down across like that anyway, but I just want to call that to your attention. But this is an adorable, if you like a little shorter wavy style, this is a nice one. I really think this color is so pretty. It has these highlights that are so pretty that run around the face, which brightens your face up a little bit. And these waves are just really nice. Just run some plain water through it. That's all this is, plain water. And just separate those curls just a little. I do that on every wig I put on my head every day. I just like to separate the curls, give it some movement, like, you know, give them some life, loosen them up off that cap just a little. And this will do that. And you're out the door. All right, this is Raquel Welch, ready for takeoff in Rusty Auburn. Now, you've seen me show you Rusty Auburn I don't know how many times. I think it's really cute in this short style. Now, this is a partially hand-tied cap. It has wefting in the back, and the rest of it's hand-tied. Of course, it has a lace front. Look how pretty. And this is an out-of-the-box, throw-on and go style. I have it in a blonde that I enjoy. But like I said, I've been trying to kind of add some warmer styles, and I thought this would be a good addition for a short style for the winter. This would be really cute with a turtleneck, a jacket like this. It really doesn't rub against your jacket. So ready for takeoff, I think it's great. Just a really pretty, I just want to show you this cap because I think it's so well done. Extended lace front, hand tied up here. Now, partial, like I said, this is a partial hand tied cap, and that means there is some wefting here in the back. But what a nice cap on this wig, I think. And like I said, it's just ready to go. You throw it on. Put a little water in it, run your fingers through it. I like to tuck one side of this one behind my ear. And, okay, doesn't get much easier than that. Okay, this is Henry Margu Terra. This is the petite size, so just to let you know that, 82733H. Look at this color. So pretty, these highlights in this one. Low density, super low density. If you're looking for a bob that really has a nice length, this falls in a perfect place under your chin, really nicely, but very, very low density. This might be one you'd want to have a look at. I think they did a really nice job on this. Now, if you wanted to add a little texture, you're not gonna, this is never gonna be big hair. It's just not. This is very low density. But you could use just a little wig wax, what I have here, and just spray it and mess it up a little. And that will just, again, piece it out, give it a little more movement. Give it some texture. This creates texture, and you can see it just kind of makes it a little bigger. But like I said, this is about as big as you're going to get. This is never going to be big hair here. But that does give it just a little bit, and it separates the fibers, gives them a little texture, a little extra movement. Henry Margu did a very nice job on this wig. I love this color. What a wow color. This is the Orchid Collection by Rene Paris, Scorpio PM, and this color is Tomato Bisque, which I think is so fun. Look at these highlights that run in Tomato Bisque. Now, if you're looking for a wig that has a full bang, don't forget about Scorpio, and I think the Scorpio PM fits great. It has a lace front and a mono part. Yes, there is permatease in this wig, so if you don't like permatease, this is probably not your wig, but I love permatease, so it's the best of both worlds for me. This color is just so pretty. I like it. I know some people might call this a fashion color. I don't know, I just call it fun. I think it's adorable. Look at all these highlights going through here, and really heavily in the top. I need Tomato Bisque in more styles. Okay, this is Main Attraction Seduction, and this color is Butternut. Now, I have not worn this in a while, so this month I wore it a couple times. I pulled it out for November. I wore it a couple times, and I thought, I need to wear this more. I really like this style. I have forgotten how much I like it. Now, this is full of permatease. Just to let you know, there is a bundle of permatease in this wig, but I like it. I think it gives it a beautiful shape. Comes down to this long style, very layered. Just look how long the bang is. And y'all remember, this is not a wig review. I've already reviewed all these wigs. If you want to see a full review of any of these, if you see one and you want to see cap construction, outdoor lighting, more talk about the color, just put the name of the wig in the search bar of my channel and the video will come up for you. This is just, you know, a fun quick overview. But isn't this a beautiful color and style on this wig? I might need this in a red. All right, this is Raquel Welch Upstage in Iced Cafe Latte. Oh, this color. I know you're familiar with this color. I think the highlighting around the face is what does it for this wig. I really do. Raquel Welch just knows how to place that highlighting in their wigs. Upstage, as you know, has always been a favorite of mine. As I always say, this is the hair I wish I was born with. And I'm so happy that I can now have the hair I've always wanted. Just an easy to wear style, never goes out of style. It's a classic, it really is. It just is beautiful. If you haven't tried Upstage, I would just encourage you to just give it a try and maybe you'll like it as much as I do. Now this is a wig I don't think gets enough love. I just think this is a gorgeous style. This is Belle Tress Secret Cookies and Cream Blonde. They did a beautiful job on this color. Look how gorgeous this is. It's ashy. It comes to, now I love ashy shades. It works well with my skin tone, so I gravitate toward that. But look how light it gets on the ends. Sleek style, long bob, beautiful color. Yeah, I just don't think this gets enough love. I think the rooting is done really well here. Let you see that. Beautiful lace front, and then just this gorgeous color that gets really light on the ends. Beautiful, beautiful wig. Raquel Welch Current Events in Golden Russet. Now, if you are looking for a non-rooted wig, this might be a good choice if you like this color, Golden Russet. Another sleek, beautiful, classic Raquel Welch style. Isn't this color pretty? Really heavily highlighted. Lace front. Looks pretty pulled off the face because of this, how it's so highlighted. I think it's nice if you pin this back, you can really see those highlights. Another great low density style. Another style that keeps on being a bestseller for Gabor. This is On the Room, and this one is Fiery Copper. I mean, what can you say? It's perfect. A beautiful bob, low density, gorgeous color. Comes in a variety of colors as well. Has a nice shape to this wig, I think. Just a little bit of contour on the front. Now, if you find that you want it to be contoured more, you can easily steam this off your face. Another one that has enough length that you can do a lot of styling. This would be beautiful in a half up and half down. I just think there's a lot you can do with this length wigs. All right, it seems like I wore a lot longer styles this month, but I did, so I just wanted to show you a few of them. This is Aesthetica Sky RH1488 RT8. I like the longer bang here. The shape of this is very pretty. It's a nice profile on this wig. Of course, this color is one of their most popular shades. Lots of blonde highlights going through here. There is some permatease in this wig, so you can get more movement. You can make this one a little bigger if you would like, because there is some permatease here. Let's see, I'm just going to put again a little wig wax in it, just to show you that you can make this a little bigger. Give it a little more movement, separate your fibers there, make it messy, which is how I like to wear my hair mostly. And because of that permatease, you can get a little bit more volume here. Aesthetica Sky. Thanks for joining me today and looking at some of the wigs I wore in November. I look forward to seeing you next month for December. I will show you not only the wigs I wore in December, but I'll have my end of the year favorites coming up. So please make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss those uploads. And again, thank you so much for your support, and leave me lots of comments. Let's talk about these wigs. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.